Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, where I do professional mukbang for you. And what do? You sit and watch. So today I've got something that's a little off the beaten path, a little different, and pretty good. This hails from California, I think. This is a prototype of something new called Kiseki Ramen, and it's I don't know if it's currently, but there's a Kickstarter for it. The big thing about these is that they're made with konjac noodle, and that and the seasoning can make this bowl of noodles only 20 calories. That's it, just 20. And I added some stuff. And I'm going to say the bowl I'm about to show you is about 230 calories, which is like pretty slim. Check that out. 230? That's nuts. That's freaking nuts. And this is really welcome because I've gone back on my diet full bore this week. And this is really, really manageable as far as to count and everything. So I'm stoked. Can you guys give me a ready, set, go really loud?
Go!
Alright, let's give this a go. Yeah, so look at this. Look what I did. I marinated an egg. I actually did it. This is the first time I've done that in a long time, and it's never come out right, and it did today. Hi. How you doing? Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely Mary. So what are you up to? Are you playing on your tablet? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And here's Mr. Miles. So they're going to harass me while I try to eat spicy foods, as usual. There's some stir-fry beef. So it definitely does have... The fella who told me about this, a guy named John... He told me that it has a South Korean flavor. Hi. Do you want to try?
No.
No? Okay. I'm not surprised.
Try.
You want to try? You want to try a noodle?
Yeah.
No? It's pretty good. No. Go. Out of here. Go. I am not here to facilitate the seeing of the color pink. It's not my job. I would say the texture of these noodles is different. Not what you're used to, mostly. These are done pretty well, though. They're usually kind of they're chewy, but they're kind of rubbery, too. These kind of fit those two bills, but with the broth, it all comes together, and the veg that it comes with is pretty good too. Spicy, got a mushroom element, got spring onion. It's good. And yeah, if you like Korean noodles and small children that have explosive fits over I don't know what, while I'm video recording things, then, it's cool. Blue bubbles. I have no Paw Patrol bubbles.
Mama got some Paw Patrol bubbles.
Does she? That's excellent. I don't.
Mama do.
She does?
You do.
She does?
You do.
No, Mama does. Alright, let's try this egg. That came out good. I'm stoked on that. Are you making fun of my slurping? Yeah, you are. You're going. Yeah. It's not. It doesn't sound like that. Alright. Time to put her down. Done. Well, that's good. Hi. That was good. I like that. What do you think? Did I do good? Yeah? Now you're good?
Yes.
Alright, well cool. That was Kiseki Ramen. It's got a nice spiciness. It's tasty and it's only 20 calories minus the stuff I added on. So, yeah. Pretty good. Alright, well this has been Hans. And this has been... No, wait. This has been... Alright, this has been Hans. And this has been... And this has been...
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Aren't you gonna say goodbye?
Bye.